morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject ENV. Look, this is a picture of school where we get education. Take education is most important for each and every student. The constitution of our country has given every child the right to education. Students from village and cities to go to various schools to study. All students live different places. Out of all children, many walk to school, many reach school on their bicycle, many go in a auto rickshaw or personal vehicles to reach school. If there is no school in their village, then children who go to school in their neighboring village even use different modes of transport to reach their school. Now look here. Now look, first of all we learn about modes of transport. There are 4 kinds of modes of transport like roadways, railways, waterways and airways. The car is an example of roadways because it is run on the road. The train is an example of railways because rail is run on the track. The ship is an example of waterways because it floats on the water. The aeroplane is an example of airways because it flies in the air. In spite of this, going to school is a challenge for children in many places. In Gujarat, children use bicycle, auto rickshaw, school van or buses to reach school. We live in Surat. In our Surat, so many bridges. Some bridges are over the river and some bridges are on the road. We use bridges to cross the road or river. We know that there are 2 kinds of bridges, bamboo bridges and cement bridges. Mostly we see bamboo bridges in village area and the cement bridges in city area. The bamboo bridges is weak and unstable, but cement bridges is very wide, strong and stable. We use large slab of RCC, cement bricks, iron pipes, wood have been used to construct these cement bridges. Here the image of bamboo bridge and cement bridge. Some places of Gujarat are surrounded by water, so boats are used. We are living in this kind of area. We use boat to go to school. Bet Dwarka is also the same kind of place, so children use boat to reach school. In Kerala, Keralian children used Valam to reach school. Valam means boat. In desert area, children use camel cart to reach school. Camel is known as the sheep of desert. In desert area, sand all around. Sand gets very hot during the day. The children ride in a camel cart to reach school. In village area, the children ride on their bullock cart, going slowly through the green field to school. If it is too sunny or raining, they use their umbrella. In some village, there is no school. Their school is far away. At first, girls here did not go to school, but now all girls easily go to school on the bicycle. If we are living very far from the school, school has arranged a vehicle for us in which we go to school every day. In Gir forest, children go through a thick forest to reach school. It is very silent in jungle that we can hear the sound of different birds and animals. They go to school through the jungle every day. Some children live on mountain. The paths are rocky and uneven there. For others the path is difficult, but we can easily come up and down. They use this path to go to school. In Ladakh, children use trolley to reach one mountain to other. Trolley means tied to strong iron rope. In Pavagadh or Ambaji, there is a ropeway to reach the temple from down to up. Ropeway consists of a strong rope of wire and trolley. People sit in the trolley and go up. In Assam, there is a very heavy rainfall. Everywhere water, so children use bamboo bridges to reach school. In northern hills, children reach school by walk through cool area. In Gujarat, long years ago, children used to jugaad to reach school. Jugaad is the name of vehicle. Wheelchair is also the name of vehicle. Handicapped person use wheelchair to go one place to other. Here we know about Nithi. She study in 4th standard. She cannot do the work easily like other children. Her legs are not working by birth. At first she found difficult to go to school, but now she is coming to school on her own. She has been provided with a wheelchair by which she goes regularly to school. Now here we know about handicap. Handicap cannot go anywhere independently, so they have to take other people's help or use a wheelchair or crutches. They find it difficult to travel by bus or any other vehicle also. Traveling long distance can be painful. Blind person need to take other people's help to go wherever they want to. Have to use a special white stick that has a bell. Cannot find and buy whatever they need for their own selves. Cannot see and appreciate the beauty of nature. The whole world seems dark. The deaf and dumb, since they can neither speak nor listen, they cannot convey what they want to say to others. They cannot understand what others are saying to them. As a result, they cannot get proper and good education. They communicate with gesture of the hands and eyes. They face a lots of difficulties in society. They usually become lonely. So now we understand that going to school is necessary. Children use different means of transport to reach school. Now thanks to watch my video.